Hello and welcome to Food Alert. In this video, I am making a very easy and a healthy recipe with green mung lentils. I have soaked half cup of mung lentils for about 4 hours. Rinse the soaked lentils again and cook it with double the amount of water. Adjust the heat while cooking to avoid overflowing. It was cooked in around 10 minutes. Press with a fork to check if the beans are cooked. If it is not soft, it needs few more minutes of cooking. Once it is cooked, strain off the excess water. This water can be added to soup or rasam. Now let's look at the ingredients we need for seasoning. 1 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. A small onion or 2-3 shallots cut into small pieces. Half cup of grated coconut, fresh or frozen. A small piece of ginger finely chopped. Few dried chilies and few curry leaves if available. Dried coconut also works fine if you don't have the freshly grated coconut. Soak 1/4 cup of dried coconut in hot water for 15 minutes. Then strain off the water and use it. Heat a pan and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. I'm using coconut oil here. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin, chilies, curry leaves and ginger. Saute them for about half a minute and then add onions. Saute the onions until it is fried well. I forgot to add the cumin initially, so I'm adding it now. Add the coconut once the onions are fried well and saute for a minute. Now add the cooked mung beans. Add salt as per taste. I have added 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well gently. Let it cook for a minute or until the water is dried. Now the healthy green mung stir fry is ready to be served. It's a great snack option for afternoon, or you can have it for lunch or dinner along with rice and vegetables. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to the channel.